Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting the biggest drains, turn off always-on display and raise to wake so the screen sleeps reliably. Next, enable power saving or set screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds. This reduces wake time dramatically. Also disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you don't need them because radios constantly search and drain battery. Once done, make sure you still receive critical notifications by keeping Do Not Disturb rules tight and essential alerts allowed. You now fine-tune settings. Restrict background app refresh and revoke location or background permissions for apps you rarely use, so they stop waking the watch. Lower screen brightness to about 40% or rely on auto brightness in controlled lighting. This saves power without making the screen unusable. Turn off haptic feedback or lower vibration intensity because the motor consumes surprising energy. Once you apply these, restart the watch to ensure settings take effect and monitor battery drop for a day. You finish by adopting daily habits. Use theater or airplane mode during meetings or workouts when notifications aren't needed, and charge smartly. Top up during low-use stretches rather than full cycles every time. Keep watchOS updated and uninstall apps you don't use because updates include battery fixes. If battery still drains fast after these steps, reboot the watch and, if necessary, perform a factory reset. If that fails, contact support. Make sure to back up data before a reset to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.